Guest of honor, esteemed colleagues, friends, and partners, thank you for inviting me to the Rwanda Space Agency's Space Week. Today, I stand before you as an individual and as a voice echoing the hopes and aspirations of our great continent, Africa, and especially this vibrant nation, Rwanda. Despite being plagued by numerous obstacles, African nations have always discovered or invented in creative ways to overcome them. As our next frontier, we now gaze for the heavens, to space. And why is that? Because space technology offers novel solutions to some of our most critical problems. You name them: climate change, agricultural productivity, water management, and disaster mitigation are just a few fields in which space technology can play a crucial role. Satellite data can guide our farmers, protect our environments, and safeguard our communities from natural disasters by providing vital transformation and facilitating informed decision making. Academia 2063 pioneered the transformational voyage towards sustainable agriculture and climate resilience, integrating space technology to see the future of African landscapes, for example, and using satellite data to pioneer innovative approaches to increase agricultural productivity, protect food security, and strengthen climate action across the continent. For example, by utilizing remote sensing technologies, satellite imagery, and artificial intelligence, our team of scientists predicts pixel level food crop production for 47 countries and 9 crops several weeks before the harvesting periods. And the data is in open access on the Africa Agriculture Watch Program website, aagwa.org. We also study climate trends to derive climate risk and variability for African communities. We measure pixel level greenhouse gas concentration above land use and land covers at the pixel level and search for every week in all African countries by using satellite imagery. In addition, mapping and monitoring climate patterns and environmental changes from space enables policymakers and stakeholders to develop strategies compatible with our ecosystem's cyclical ebb and flow. Therefore, Academia 2063 navigates the celestial data stream and anchors them to the terrestrial domain of agriculture and climate, for instance, waving a tapestry of sustainability that stretches from the vastness of space to the African fields. Rwanda is not only a nation but also a beacon of possibility. As a result of its space agency dedication to technology and innovation, the country is in a position to exploit the potential of space technology. Their endeavors in space are not aimed at a distant future, but are profoundly rooted in addressing the immediate challenges of our society in a results oriented manner. Using satellite technology, Rwanda can improve its weather forecasting, agricultural planning, and environmental conservation capabilities, protecting our communities and, and bolstering our economies. We are proud of our productive collaboration with Rwanda Space Agency in space technology in its application to our most pressing challenges. And here I would like to provide the example where we partnered with the agency to build the first Rwandan crop map using satellite imagery and artificial intelligence. You can imagine such capability to be a game changer when it comes to, for example, studying crop rotations. It will help to target permanent agricultural surveys better and support agricultural and climate policies in the country. The horizon of potential areas of collaboration is even still expanding. The path to space allows us to protect our ecological systems and advance our socioeconomic structures towards sustainability. Imagine a Rwanda where producers have access to real-time weather data, allowing them to make informed decisions and increase agricultural output. Imagine a scenario in which our policymakers use satellite data to plan urban areas, manage water resources, and mitigate the effects of climate change, thereby ensuring that development does not come at the expense of our cherished ecosystems. This is not even a distant dream, but it is becoming a reality in Rwanda through its space agency. You remember earlier I talked about that potential. Now, the collaboration between agencies and also putting the resources together is key to realizing that potential. This voyage should not be undertaken alone. Regional and international cooperation is essential to unleashing space technology's limitless potential, as shown by your presence at this Space Week. By forming alliances, exchanging information, and merging resources, we can collectively increase space technology's benefits to our societies. We must establish bridges with international space agencies, research institutions, and the private sector that will play a critical role in that ecosystem and ensure that the benefits of space technology are accessible to everyone. Finally, the stars have always guided us, and now we look to navigate them to ensure our future and the prosperity of our people. Let Rwanda's journey into orbit serve as a beacon, illuminating the path to sustainable development for us and the African continent. Thank you for allowing me to participate in this critical gathering, and may our space endeavors pave the way for a future as limitless and brilliant as the universe itself. Thank you. My name is Racine Lee, and I serve as the Director for Data Management, Digital Products, and Technology at Academia 2063. Thank you.